Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Blurweb app, a tool that I think it's a no-brainer on AppSumo right now, and it's pretty cheap. It's only $12, being a Chrome extension that can solve a pain point while you are doing and recording your online classes or your online videos, or even when you were on a Zoom meeting and you need to show your screen and you don't want to expose your credit card number or secret API or PayPal ID, etc., and you need to blur your screen. The tool is pretty simple. I'm gonna show you how it works. It's a pretty straightforward review because it's pretty simple and cool to understand. And remember, you get everything on their app for only $12. Single click to blur image, paragraph, input field. So you're gonna install the Chrome extension, and then you are gonna click on the Chrome extension, and you can see here, turn off, clear all, close. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna select what I want to blur. For instance, here, the buy now button, I blurred it. The price, I blurred it. Now the reviews, I'm blurring it as well. And as you can see here, it's everything blurred. Let's say I want to blur that part as well, so people are only like focusing on the main image of that website. So I'm blurring everything and getting all the attention of my public to the main image of the website. So as you can see here, it's pretty cool and pretty easy to use and solve the pain point pretty fast for only $12. So, and when you want to turn off or clear all, you don't click here and clear all. And when you want to turn off, turn off. And how you're gonna put the tool to work as well. You click on the Chrome extension, it will appear again, and you can do all the process again. As you can see here, now I blurred the main image of the website. And if I want to clear, click here, and I cleared. Okay, so it's pretty easy to use, pretty easy to understand. I do recommend that tool for only $12 on AppSumo. It's a great Chrome extension with already 11 positive review on AppSumo. So as you can see here, for instance, they say, time saver, we are recording tons of videos to explain software and open and often need real data in the account to demonstrate stuff. This saves tons of time, super simple, great product, and easy to use. This will save time for you while you are editing and you need to blur by yourself the parts you don't want to show, because at the time when you were recording, you hadn't a way to blur the screen. So it's pretty useful, pretty convenient if you are recording classes, if you are recording tutorials, if in some way you need to share the screen to others. So I hope you like that review. If you like it, please click on the button on the link below and help me to